Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm in Ikebukuro and heading to Animate Cafe. It's been a while since I came to Ikebukuro last time, but I see more people hanging out now. Oh, what are those JoJo panels? They collaborated with Suit Company. That's interesting. I want to see if there's a Kira's purple suit. Yes, this is the building. Animate Cafe is on the 4th floor. Actually, I was so lucky to win the ticket this time, as only limited numbers of the tickets are available to come in the cafe. You know why? Yes, they are collaborating with Chainsaw Man now. Okay, let's get inside then. So here is the cafe. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to film the video inside, so I will share some pictures. Let's start with those big tapestries with 4 main characters. The original illustration only for this cafe. And panel with theme design. Everyone has some drinks, but power already distributed away. Each table had this placemat. And we order by this iPad. These are the food menu. Pochita is attacking tomato devil. And some dessert menu here. Soup and drink. I ordered this drink. This came with whipped cream and Yakult cookie. This is what Nishi ordered. This drink was funny as it's named as Unforgettable Drinking Party. The taste of first indirect kiss. I'm sure everyone remembers this scene for Denji and Himeno-san. And I ordered this coffee jelly. You can find Aki's hair here. And this sword is pretty cool. And Nishi got this cake. Like mine, this has Power's horns. That's all foods we got. Let's check some merch next. This is Pochita's big blanket. These are acrylic stands. Mini acrylic stands and team badges. The last one is Earthboard. We both purchased mini acrylic stands, hoping to get our oshis. Let's see what we got. It's Nishi's turn first. Oh, it's Denji. I think he wanted to power, but Denji is not too bad. Okay, my turn. Of course I'm aiming Makima-san. She's very cool and my absolute oshi in 2022. Oh, Pochita. I really wanted Makima-san, but Pochita is okay. Here you go. Actually, this can be displayed as acrylic stand or can be keychain too. We also got some random paper coaster as we order dessert and drink at the cafe. Let's check what we got. These are first set we got when we ordered drinks. Oh, I got Aki. And Nishi got Himeno-san. I think Nishi ordered Himeno-san's drink, so perfect result. Another set for our dessert. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I got Makima-san. And Nishi got Pochita. So all the foods and drinks were pretty good, and we really enjoyed the cafe. Chainsaw Man anime just ended, but already can wait for the second season. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great new year. Bye!